Number 5. Which statement describes the net movement of particles during diffusion? So during diffusion, particles move from the high concentration to low concentration. So looks like A and B can be potential answers, but there's a subtle difference between A and B in that A is saying down a concentration gradient, B is saying against the concentration gradient. So if something moves from high to low place, then the substance or the thing has moved from the high to low place or slope, and the direction is going down, right? It's obvious. High and low, it's like going down. It's not against. So if something moves from or moves against the concentration gradient, that means it's moving from low concentration to high concentration, moving against the gradient. So B is not the right answer, but A is. Okay?